we find ourselves at a time when this battery economy is a real development in societies around the world. We need to have a cleaner future, and we need the ability to develop the infrastructure to be able to fuel that clean, renewable growth. That's going to come from, in no small part, lithium, the mineral. We're excited because lithium brines in particular are the style of lithium mineralization that effectively allows our company to become a producing, cash flowing business within 3 to 5 years. This is because the assets in Nevada are brine, so in effect, think if you will, oil and gas. We're going to be drilling into them. When we drill into them, the wells that we drill become production wells in short order thereafter. The area of Nevada that we are in is, in certain instances relative to our projects, 2.5 miles just slightly downhill from the pre-existing mine. This is a mine, the Silver Peak mine, which is owned by a $9 billion US New York Stock Exchange listed company. They have been operating that mine for over 40 years. And the chemistry and the associated geotechnical set of circumstances are such that we feel we are sitting on opportunities that could be as large or larger, and we have multiples of them. We have the data, we've done the work. The capital that we're now raising is to drill on top of the evidence that we already have, that the lithium is present, the structures are there, and that sits within the overall logistical development of a state, Nevada, very friendly mining state, a state, Nevada, which is really now the giga state. This is where, the epicenter of this green revolution from a battery point of view is coming from. And so the confluence of all of those factors make us really excited about this particular opportunity. We, as well, I should mention, are the largest holder of land for brine rights in the state. We're going out to raise $8 million at 20 cents a share. We have approximately $500,000 right now, and so we will have a cash position of 8.5, possibly to 9.5, because there will be possibly 1 million of overs. That capital will be spent as to $4 million into Nevada, doing the exploration on those assets and really focusing on the drilling and the development. We think that's going to yield the discovery in the first 6 months of next year. We're going to put approximately $1.25 million into Australia, maybe $200,000 into Botswana. These are earlier stage assets that don't need as much money currently to be able to bring them up to a level where we think there's going to be incredible value add. The balance of that money, there'll be approximately $2 million spent on the business development, the marketing, the executive management, and the promotion of the company over 2 years. And then the balance will be for general working capital. We think that our competitive advantage is the ability to drill a discovery in Nevada within the first 6 months of 2017. Upon the drilling of that discovery, we think we're going to be able to build resources and convert to production wells in a very short period of time. Because of where those assets are, how they're situated, and in fact what they are, their quality and their size, we think that we're going to be able to leverage off of these discoveries to develop what could be one or more lithium producing operations. We may do this ourselves, or we may do it in concert with other companies that wish to join us. We're incredibly excited about this because the quality of these assets, both from a perspective of the product and a time frame to get the product to market, is what's compelling about us, period. If you move off the assets and then take a look at the team, the board, the executive, Gordon, the technical people, I'm really fortunate as a founder to be associated with such a world-class group of people. They've got the ability at the high end of the market, at the low end of the market, from a resource point of view, from a tech point of view, and we're coming together here at Lithium Consolidated Mineral Exploration to be a fundamental product producer and provider to what will be the lithium and the battery economy.